Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by verifying prerequisites. Ensure your PC uses UEFI with secure boot capability and TPM2. 0 because Valorant's anti-cheat requires them. Once done, reboot into your BIOS or UEFI settings using the vendor key, often F2, del, or ESC, and locate secure boot and boot mode options. Make sure boot mode is set to UEFI rather than legacy or CSM. Then save a backup of current settings on paper or photo. This prevents accidental lockouts and speeds recovery if something goes wrong. Next, you'll enable secure boot correctly. In UEFI, navigate to boot or security, turn off legacy/CSM, and select UEFI only. Then find secure boot and set it to enabled. Choose the standard or Windows key provisioning so the OS recognizes vendor keys. Save changes and reboot into Windows. Once back, run msinfo32 or system information and confirm secure boot state shows on. If it still reads unsupported, double-check CSM is disabled and your drive uses GPT partitioning. Otherwise, Windows won't report secure boot active. To finish, reinstall Vanguard and the Valorant client after secure boot is confirmed active. The anti-cheat requires that state to function. If the game still errors, run the Riot repair tool in the client, update chipset and graphics drivers, and install pending Windows updates. If problems persist, inspect your disk partitioning. Windows needs GPT for UEFI secure boot, and if secure boot toggled wrong, restore the BIOS key database or consider a BIOS rollback. One key tip: boot into safe mode to uninstall Vanguard cleanly before.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.